Memo bi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. On say eya na make catch mo say for me personally the biggest mistake me feel say Ghana ye and say yama Jean Mensah. In fact, men case Ghana I said the nani bi. The biggest mistake a judiciary ni and say yama Jean Mensah in 2020 Amber testified because clearly there were errors in the election calculation in yama. Inti nanka ye na ehwe nim say obeba be testify nanka Ghana for yate ye ho ase. A lot of people were waiting for the cross examination but yama nanye. Me mamoti say it was one of the major injustice the current Supreme Court I dey ye Ghana for. And sa asem na maka I know say a chimba ebeba no mo aba beka. Me say sa asem we ye mark nto a chimba ba ombeba ba be boss chief Supreme Court echi say sa ade na wo mo ye no. Eye precedents bi a wo mo aseti ato ho a ahwe ni ye a ebe ha o man. But ni nemu na me de say I am not the only person na me kan sa asem no Ghana for bebre na kan sa asem no na ende appeals court judge retired a friend of Said Kweku Jan ende onu nso ababonte na sisi na akwa say judges na emumpo no e na sisi a wo mo ba abonten ebo the Supreme Court echi enam enyama bi a wo mo ye ya judges na ende wo mo atena se ehu ne se da bia de we de ye boni a Supreme Court no edi Ghana for enra nipa kwa ye de ne de bre o Justice Atuguba se ni oba be kasa ebe kire se wo hwe jachi case na any Supreme Court decision a wo mo make ya scandalous chese entwa yie nti ende ye sanso be bo different one Justice Said Appeals Court judge edi atuja na mpese utie ensem okan ni hu ne se ensem a okan aba wom ana aba anim but ni nemu de me say me de say today because Ghana ni ne kokasa ye beka say contempt say ye NDC for na ebekwa akokan ye beka say almost scandalize judges inti say mo mpese Ghana for obi a be criticize judges say mo amon crofo na ebeka afi say mo amon crofo kan mo yen hwe de mo de be yomo say ne de mo amon crofo na aka inti de mo de be yomo mfa nkonko yomo see Article
3:1 of the 92 Constitution states that Parliament shall have no power to enact a law establishing a one-party state. I should say that today we are literally in a one-party state in this country. It is the judiciary which, through its sensitive and appropriate interpretation of the Constitution and enforcement of relevant statutes and laws, serves as the inescapable entity or agency for realizing these noble objectives of the Constitution. Accordingly, Article 125(3) declares that the judicial power of Ghana is vested in the judiciary. Article 125(1) emphasizes that, quote, justice emanates from the people and shall be administered in the name of the Republic by the judiciary, which shall be independent and subject only to the Constitution. Ladies and gentlemen, the import of these stipulations is to underscore the fact that the judiciary and hence judges of our courts are accountable to the people as their servants and not as their masters in the quest to achieve and advance the vision of democratic government and the objective and tangible fruits of democracy in our land. Additionally, and more importantly, the judiciary has the bounden duty to hold all other powers, entities, and agencies of state accountable and ensure transparency in their actions or deeds. And in this respect, I felt very, very agonized when the Supreme Court in the 2020 election petition decided to shield the Electoral Commissioner from giving evidence. The Supreme Court in that trial was a constitutional court, not just any court.
But then Uncle Ponce, so one said they all canon, and the papa can so one I will say he was very agonized when the judiciary or the Supreme Court in 2020 decided to shield Jean Mensah from providing evidence. Because, you see, as someone Papa can, I mean, maybe some people, some MPP4 might come to attack Papa because as someone walk and any more but me see nipa kasa tina sena dwen hu ne sa sem na waka na nyansa wo ma na nyansa nim enya wo feelings ebia wo bia kan asem na nyansa wo na so wo feelings enya wo de unim na ko di wo feelings echi a obedi ngwa asem papa na asem a waka no wo say constitution nature say the judiciary no only the constitution they are supposed to answer to. They are not supposed to answer to any political party. They are not supposed to answer to the president. Dabi, the constitution. In this case, no, Jean Mensah somewhere about court, no, the judiciary were representing the constitution. They weren't supposed to take sides. And so he was agonized. Obika said, I am agonized. And actually said, I am pained. Say mbreni do ye no. Judiciary no ebe jina ama wa mane te say constitution because constitution ni de wo ni MPP ni NDC. Ya ma ye nina MPP ni kokun nipa constitution no senya eka se obi kokun nipa ni ndi no e wo say ni ndi saa NDC ni nso kokoye saa constitution e wo say ni ndi saa ye nka se constitution no wa throw wom ze ni ba ko ni MPP ni a okun nipa ma 1000 years so ye NDC ni no okun nipa munku no dabi. In this case, no, the judiciary, the Supreme Court, they were playing the role of the Constitution. They were supposed to be the Constitution. No, wama NDC for evidence aba. Wama MPP for evidence aba. Yengro for miensa en a case ne form ho. MPP, NDC, and the Electoral Commissioner, Jean Mensah. NDC the evidence aba, MPP fonso counter evidence aba. Sisi aka the third person Jean Mensah. Now judiciary ne wasa who play the role of the constitution no. E wasa opening on so the evidence eba. And I wasa opening on so yebe cross examine no. Ya examine ya cross examine NDC ni MPP. Ono so beba ni ya no cross examination no. Udru ho wo shelde no. He was agonized. Me say sa de we. Ombeye akọ Omunchimba ebetua soka. Sa decision where Supreme Court take ye. Omunchimba ebetua soka. Now they don't know what they have done to our democracy. This decision they took, they don't know what they've done to our democracy. Now you see, nipa bia no. Ya sha ase say ade boni bia wo ye no. Mama wati ase say nipa da se ni bia wo yo bia wo ta di boni bia wo. Se ye didi wa eya na wo mpe. Nti nipa kra wo ye kronfo. Si ewia na ade a na so peso owu nipa kra wo pa atendidie yedi na tem a na opeso owu nipa kra wo type pen tokwa ye de ntokwa be hia na ni mood because onim say meme de no de meme pay ye no nti mama wati say Supreme Court and a court decision bia no virtually no adane mra it will be some lawyers a eya na wo mo court a ade a wo mo pe similar cases a who ruling saba into your court and no catch and say oh assume a senior bentin crack case no similar judge ni ruling na oba ni because judge ma ruling na edanemra into yende you are at the giving end so you are not seeing what is going on or chinebi your party will be at the receiving end now you said this about 2020 and you said that will be the last time a Ghana ye the election in Beko court. That be sometime may come. Maybe 10 years, 20 years, 30 years to come. You the MPP, you be at the receiving end. That time no maybe a Supreme Court and so obi and wakwa parking and crow for egu ho. No money na ati case and so. Eba now we expect say chief EC area batu mu. That time maybe energy Jean Mensah na wo wo expect say new EC na waba no we dey we wie mu funfram yemfa nko court na wo expect say EC no obeba ba be ma evidence obeba ba be ye no cross examination ni edru ho no ye quote 2020 say na say 2020 BC ye Jean Mensah kraya e ho na wo be sun say hey ye time na ye yen say chale embre ba na ye yen say yen yenya ende ye dia ye ma ye hu se ne yete and me say say na up to today me de na nkrofo ka Supreme Court decisions am take here eni encha me say up to today one decision na Supreme Court ni take here me che say me ya as a mean to me fanche sa decision we dey bia me ka don't I say it say Supreme Court assemble na me ka don't I say it I tell you guys 3 years on sa asem still me na enya me nkwa me de say ende another judge woni membra eka say he's also agonized say bibi sa si wo Ghana nyankopon shira judges na ndem o kasa nyina no because omo pese ye mu bi be kasa se mu bi nkasa nyankopon be yi mu na